Hello, my name is Andrew and welcome to Aimco's YouTube channel. We help factory workers avoid injury and work smarter by providing them the best lifting solution. This lift assist is used to transfer a stack of slab coils to a work table. To operate, lower the locating pad to the slab, aligning the two fixed jaws, and then engaging the clamp button. The clamping pressure is 30 psi, so make sure not to damage the slabs, but the jaws have a 350-pound lift capacity. The Aimco torque lift is mounted to a single trolley and has 48 inches of vertical travel, controlled by the up-down pennant on the handlebars. The unclamp and common trigger have to be engaged at the same time to prevent an accidental drop. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you need a lifting tool and don't buy it, you will ultimately pay for it and not have it. Start the process today by going to aimcomfg.com and click the Get Quote link now.